Namaste all viewers. I'm Bhagyashree here. I'm from Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. Our company established since 1983. Our stores located at Charminar, HICC, Taj Krishna and Jubilee Hills in Krishna Pearls. Look at here. I came up with a very beautiful products, like a complete different, simple and so sweet and more wearable. Look at here, complete different product. And look at here, simple and so unique. And South Sea pearls with emeralds. And for this matching earrings. And look at here, the other neck piece. So pretty. Now let's start off with the one by one. Look at here. Look at the pearls. Pearls with a coral. So sweet and short. This is so beautiful. Look at here. Coral shape is also very beautiful. Look at the flower shape. The complete 22 karat pure gold. Look at the dropping with the pearl, coral and the pearl. Look at the chain is also so beautiful. Look at this is completely handmade grilled. This is real coral and pearl shape is also very nice, and edge we have given that beauty. Look at here. I'll just take it in hand and show you. Look at the pearls and the coral. This is actually regular wear. You can wear it as per like your choice, and also you can wear it like office purpose, like a temples wear. So many occasions you can use it. Just wear this and just wear. You can start and you can ready for your different occasion. Like these options, we have many more products in our store. For more details for this, you can contact me directly. Look at the hook also, it's very strong. We have given BIS hallmark also. 916. This is 22 karat pure gold. Please walk in our store and have a look for the more designs like this. We do the customization as per your requirement. Like instead of coral, I can give it your rubies and emeralds and all. If you don't want pearls also, we do the customization as per your requirement. Look at this, how simple and so unique. Just wear, you can get ready for so many parties. For any occasion, it's look good. Look at here. I hope you like this product. For more information about this product, you can contact me 9248036721. And this is approximately net weight is 8.530. This is so comfortable to wear. Look at here. So unique piece. Just so fixability. If you want little net weight, little lengthy one also, we can do it. If you want little longer length also, we do the customization. Actually first you can take hasties. It's a so unique product only. Look at the corals edge also, we have given that flower shape. Yeah. Let's go for the next option. Look at here. These are the KC pearls. These are the different kind of pearls. This is so pretty. Look at each pearl. We have did handmade grilled with a gold. Look at the inside. This is completely gold. You can see the inside of the lock. How beauty is this? You can see the lock Each pearl has a gold handmade grill. Look at here. I want to show you the different products. That is the reason I came up with the different products. Look at here. Inside it has completely gold chain, and these KC pearls are really different. Look at the edge. Each pearl we have given end up with a gold dot. Look at the shine and look at the product beauty on it. This is kind of different product. In this we have emeralds also. Look at here how beautiful. This is also very flexible to wear and it's so soft and sweet. Look at here. Look at here. You can wear it with any outfit like cocktail parties, anything. And if you want to wear something stylish also, you can use it with other sarees also, like evening wear. For the cocktail, anything. So pretty, so elegant. When you wear just wear this, that's it. The beauty will come up like anything. Look at here. Look at here how beauty is this. It's so pretty. Like this we do the customization as per your requirement. We have so many products. For more information about this product, you can contact me directly. 9248036721. I'm Bhagyashree here. Every week we are coming up a new collection. This is net gram is approximately 64.930. This is so nice. Look at here. This is so soft and so lightweight also. Look at here the pearls. Look at the KC pearls are like complete different, and we have given that look, extra look for the gold edge, and each interrupt the lock system. Look at here, complete gold, and it's completely different. Really the handmade grilled, and who are the made this one, they are really appreciations, like how beauty have came up with a very design. So for this matching earrings also we do have. We have completely handmade grilled products, and which I am showing you also. This is complete handmade handmade products. We have matching earrings also for this. For more information for this, we do the directly video calls also. You can contact me directly, and also you can share your contact details with your country codes. For video call and show you also I can do it. Share your numbers so that I can do the video call and show you. Let's go for the next option. Look at here. Wow, so pretty. Look at here the South Sea pearls, rubies and emeralds. Look at here. This look like a diamond look only. Look at the shine and all. This is so beautiful. And look at here, we have given 916 hallmark also, BIS hallmark. The hook will be also very strong. Look at the here. This is so nice. The chain, look at here. The grip of the chain, we have given the red onyx stone, South Sea pearl, and each handmade the lock system. Look at here, the end and edge, we have given the flower edges. Look at here again, it has an antique finishing, emerald stone, ruby beads. And if you want more layers also, we do the customization. And also this is a unisex product. It's so pretty. You can You can actually wear it with a lengthy one also. I can give you the adjustable thread also. So elegant, right? So nice. And this is completely gold. Look at here, this is also very flexible to wear and so soft. Look at here. Look at here, the two lines. This is unisex, you can wear it. If you want more lengthy also, we do the customization. For more information about this product, you can contact me 9248036721. This is my contact number. For video call, in video call, if you want to see this product, particular product, yes, I'm going to do the immediately video call and show you. Please share your contact details 9248036721. You can share your contact details too with country code. Next, go for the next option. Look at here. This is a one line and simple string. South Sea pearls with emerald beads. Look at here. The beads edge also we have given the different shape of the flower shape, edge and the end. And look at here. For pearl also, edge and the end we have given that antique look. For give extra look for this string. This is so elegant, easy to wear, and it can be matched with any outfit. This is so beautiful. This is also so flexible to wear. Look at here. This is, it won't hurt you. Look at here. And also later on you can use it with a like pendant also. This one. Use it with a pendant, like a side brooch also you can attach something. Once you buy this product, later on if you come down to the store, we can do the customization like how you need it. Just the one line string, so beautiful, so elegant. Look at here, how flexible is this. Look at the emeralds. Emerald stone is also, I'll just show you 1 second. Look at here, how transparent, how quality and the purity. Look at the transparency. And look at the pearls shine is also like so fresh. Yes, for more information about this product also you can contact me 9248036721. For video call also you can contact me directly. And please share your country code with the contact details so that we will contact you directly. It is so easy to contact you. And this is a matching earring for this. Look at here. So beautiful. It's quite different also. We have given small tiny pearls in between, and end we have given emeralds. Look at the flower shape, the antique look which I have given. If you want to take only the earring also you can take it. You can pair up with it only the chain also, simple chain. These earrings look so beautiful. And back we have given lock system. Look at here, the screw system we have given. This is so strong. And this is 916 BIS hallmark will be there. For more information, contact me 9248036721. I'm Bhagyashree here. Let's go for the next option. Look at here. Wow, so beautiful. Look at the antique finishing and the locket and edge we have given gold bowls. Look at the tiny pearls. Each pearl that we have given extra look for the gold. Look at here. And look at here also. Look at the pearls, how beautiful. So nice. Look at here the pearl. Look at the back also. Look at here the finishing. It's so soft, it won't hurt you. Quite different. Look at here, gold balls in between. Look at the handmade. Look at the tiny pearls are so pretty. Look at the how shiny and so soft it is. And look at the lock system is also so nice. It's very strong, and we have given BIS hallmark for every product we give. Look at here. If you want little lengthy also, you can customization. You can do the customization, and also you can use it with a choker also. You can use it little middle length it will be. If you want only wear like a choker also, you can wear it because it has a pearls inside. Look at here. So pretty. So unique piece. If you want wear little lengthy also, this is the look. So beautiful. For this matching earrings also I came up. I'll just show you. Look at here, these are the matching earrings. I'll just remove and show you. Look at here, so beautiful andi. Earrings also so soft and so smooth. Chudandi asalu enta neat ga unnayo pearls and the edge of the gold balls. Look at the antique finishing. The in between it has a Lakshmi Roopam also. And look at the back, the lock system as usual. Look at the BIS hallmark also available. So this is a matching earrings. You can see the set of it. This is also net weight వచ్చేసి మనకి 21.820 అండి. So pretty, so unique. Now ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మనకి ఉగాది కూడా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి you can actually easily you can purchase this one. So pretty. For more information, you can contact me 9248036721. This is my contact number. I can do the video calls and show you. You can share with your country codes. Look at the antique finishing also, so pretty. The extra look we have given in between gold balls also. So every week we are coming up the new collection. So you can contact me anytime. 9248036721 is my number. You can follow our Instagram too. Look at here. So Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills. We have a free shipping all over India. WhatsApp us at 9248036721. As always I tell you, www.krishnapearls.com. This is our website details. We are into pearls in diamonds, pearls in silver and pearls in gold. In website also we have so many designs. For more designs, follow our Instagram at www.instagram.com/krishna.pearls.hyderabad. Please walk in our store. It's very close to metro station. It's very near to Jubilee Hills check post. Jubilee Hills it's a very close to Jubilee Hills check post. You can contact me directly. For a location also, we'll ready to help you guys. It's very close to metro station, opposite to Jeep showroom, and behind coffee shop is also there. We are in second floor. You can visit our store and have a look for the more collection like we have in silver also. pearls in diamonds, pearls in silvers, and also we do have a different types of varieties of designs. And also we have a scheme. Look at here. Look at here, gold purchase plan. Swarna Ruksham gold purchase plan. Pay monthly, 11 months installment with the easy payments option. Special discounts, get 1 month installment for free in the 12th month. Redeem and purchase. Redeem final amount after 12 months. And buy gold jewelry at your Jubilee Hills store. Contact her salesperson for the more details. Can contact me directly. This facility also the giving the Krishna pearls. So you can contact us. If you like one product, you can pay by installment basis. Keep it, hold that product, and then you can purchase. You can take the home for the 13th month. So 12th month extra bonus you will get 1 month extra. So every month we have so many different products every week. So whatever the customization, what you're looking for exactly, ear studs, only the pearl strings, only the pearl studs, so many products we are ready to give you the service. We want to give you the red carpet service. That's why we are here to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching our FB live for every section. So glad to us. I hope you like these products. So for more information, you can contact me 9248036721. Thank you so much.